Okay, so I'm going to show you guys how to make Yana and John's Door County Cherry Hooch Sour. So the ingredients you need are the cherry hooch, the sweet and sour, cherry bitters, tipsy jam, and tipsy cherries. And to do it, you get a nice old-fashioned tumbler full of ice. I'm going to do 3 shots of the good stuff. Let's do 1, 2, and 3. And next, we're going to add some sweet and sour and give this a good squirt. And do some bitters. I like a few shots of that. And some of the tipsy jam. And you guys will have some in a little smaller thing than we have. So you want to give that a pretty good stir. Let it dissolve the jam because that's going to offset some of the sourness of the sour. And last but not least, get some tipsy cherries. You want to put them on a toothpick. And these are pretty potent, so handle with care. Put that in the drink, and then we're done. Cheers.